Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu Linux on your Windows system using just the command prompt. Let's get started. First, open command prompt as administrator. Just type cmd in the search bar, click on the right side that says Run as administrator. Now we'll enable WSL, which stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Just type this command and hit enter. It will automatically download and install Ubuntu right here inside your CMD. If your system needs a restart, it'll let you know, but for me, it worked without restarting. Once it's done, you'll be asked to create a Linux username and password directly in the CMD window. Go ahead and type them. This sets up your Ubuntu user. Go and type your username here. I'm going to make mine Hassan. And don't use uppercase letters. Now type your password here. You can't see it in the command line when typing it. Now retype the same password to confirm. And just like that, you're inside Ubuntu Linux, running directly inside Windows. Let's install something fun to make it look cooler. Type clear first. Now type sudo apt update to update the system. And it'll ask you for a password. Go ahead and type the password you create before. Now type sudo apt upgrade -y. Now let's see something fun on Ubuntu. Go ahead and type sudo apt neofetch. Type clear for more spaces. Now type neofetch. And that's it. Ubuntu is ready. No restart needed, no extra steps. You've got Linux inside Windows, and you can now code, hack, and explore. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what tutorial you want next.